buy this coffee. It's from Verve Coffee Roasters. It's like the holiday line. We're in the city and this is our second day in this stage 5 or level 5 storm. It wasn't so bad. Last night it did shake the van and that scared us, but it really isn't as bad as I expected or was anticipating. Like the ground hasn't flooded, which is good, and it hasn't been that windy today. Because it's not that bad, I'm hoping I can get some errands done today, but first I need to make breakfast. What, is there anything you want for breakfast?
I don't know.
We have stuff for quesadillas.
Oh, that actually sounds kind of good. I would eat anything, honestly.
Oatmeal?
I could have, no, I wouldn't need oatmeal.
Should I text you on your birthday or let it pass by? Make you think I don't think about you.
The cheese really melted.
Yeah.
I like literally made a taco in the quesadilla, you know what I mean? Like this.
Look. Oh. Tell me what you think. Amazing?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna copy you.
Mmm. Wait, that's fun. I was in Austin, Texas for a couple weeks celebrating the holidays with Tori's family, my family, just catching up with everyone, and then I flew back to the Bay Area about a week ago. Right now I'm in San Francisco. The Bay Area is one of my favorite cities in the US. Honestly, I love it so much, but I do get a little anxious when I'm in the cities. Actually, I get very anxious, and that's probably the biggest negative of being in cities for me. I've just had some bad experiences in cities, honestly. I've gotten so many parking tickets here. I've gotten towed, and I had to pay $700 to get my van back. Also, the break-ins in the city are insane. Like, they happen in broad daylight. You leave your van for like 15 minutes and it'll happen. And people will just straight up steal your car and your vehicle as well. Thankfully, I haven't had a break-in, but it's something I'm so paranoid about. I see shattered glass everywhere when I'm here. If I had a house here, I would totally just not leave valuables in my car, but my van is my home, so I don't really have any other option. But I'm gonna be spending the next few days here, so I thought I would set up these monitoring cameras around the van. I have 3 of them, so I'm gonna put them on 3 sides of my van. That way I can monitor my home when I'm not here. I feel like this is going to be such a game changer.
I was a rambler, hell-bent on destruction. I strayed from confession.
Now that I have these cameras set up, I can connect them to my Wi-Fi. I have Starlink, so I just connected it to that. And now when I leave my van, I can view live footage while I'm gone and just check on the surroundings of my van. I also put micro SD cards in each of the cameras. That way it records to that as well, just in case I need it. And I can get alerts about any suspicious motion that's around my van because there's a visual sensor detection on the device. Now that I've set it up, let's go do errands, and Tori and I might try to squeeze in a date night in the city. So I just have to step out to dump my trash. I have a lot of trash. And conveniently, there's dumpsters right here. Cool. Let's hope that there's no sign saying we can't do this. Anyway. It's recycling. And I think that we can recycle these. I'm gonna dump my trash, and then after that we are going to go to the UPS store because I have to return something. The next errand we have to do is we're going to Best Buy, and we're getting Tori a hard drive because she really needs one. And then we're starving, so after this we're gonna go get food. I had such a great day in the city with Tori, and I want to thank the Panasonic Home Hawk window monitoring cameras for allowing me to explore without having to feel anxious about getting a parking ticket, being towed, or having my car broken into, or even worse, stolen. This system really changes city camping for me, and I think a lot of people who live in vans, or even homes for that matter, can benefit from having a monitoring system around their personal space. So if you're interested in the Panasonic Home Hawk monitoring cameras, I have left a link in the description of this video.
I'm so hungry. We're getting my favorite food in the whole world, which is pad thai with tofu.
Also, this place is so cute.
It's really cute.
Never mind, the pad thai wasn't vegan actually. They came back and told us that there's fish sauce in it, so we ordered other stuff. Tori and I were both very disappointed with that experience because we were debating on going, and the main reason we chose to go was to get pad thai. And then there was fish sauce in it. And the fried rice, like, it wasn't that good. I feel like a 3 out of 10. It tasted pretty bland. We put a little soy sauce on it. I am going to take my makeup off though and just like kind of get ready for the night.
Where did you get that from?
I got this at H Mart actually with my mom when I was in Austin.
That's cool.
How does it look?
It's so cute. Is this your first time using it?
Yeah, does it look crazy?
I love it.
Wait, I kind of want to see how I look. I look like an egg. That's hilarious. It kind of looks like a bonnet or something.
Yeah, it's actually pretty cute.
I also have this dry eraser makeup wipe. It's like this reusable makeup wipe I've had for years, and I just use it to take off my makeup. So I'm like heating up some water, and I'm gonna just like remove my makeup. Ooh, I got like a bunch of new skincare stuff. So right now I'm using the Tatcha face wash, and I also got this Luna, the Foreo, and it's so nice to like wash your face with that.
That looks like it really cleans.
Yeah, it honestly feels like such a more thorough clean than...
Have you noticed any improvements?
I mean, yeah, I don't know.
I feel like your skin is brighter.
Really? Fuck.
That didn't seem like it went very well.
I know, I'm like trying a new method.
Why don't you like stick your face in it?
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Like that?
Yeah, like that.
Oh, okay. And then I got this Paula's Choice BHA. Tori recommended it. She says it will help clear my skin because I've been breaking out. I have some Star acne patches, which I will probably do.
I want one.
You have a... do you even have acne? Tori doesn't have acne. And then I'm going to use this multivitamin eye cream by Drunk Elephant.
I could put it on my forehead.
Tori just wants a star. Like, she has no acne. She just wants a star. People often ask me if I'm scared to sleep in the middle of nowhere, but the truth is I feel at home in nature. I feel held by the warm sun on my skin, and when I'm among the trees, I feel as if I'm meant to be there, as if I'm one of them. When I first moved into the van several years ago, I'll admit I felt disoriented sleeping alone in nature. The silence felt foreign, and something about it felt eerie. But the more I spent time in that silence, the more I found comfort in it. I find that people are just scared of what's foreign to them. Since traveling, I have had people try to instill all kinds of fear into me. Not intentionally, not out of malice, they just want to keep me safe. But it's a misguided fear, one that is driven by the uncomfortability of the unknown. It's almost always the people who have never been to Mexico that tell me it's a dangerous country and I shouldn't go. It's almost always the people who don't live in vans who tell me I shouldn't be on the road as a solo female. It's almost always the people who live in cities that tell me bad things will happen if I go out in the middle of nowhere. In the beginning of my travels, I allowed these words to get to me. I delayed pursuing my dreams for so long because of these warnings, and I closed myself off to so many experiences. But now that I've been living this way for a while, I can see the bigger picture, because the people who warn me often don't see the dangers that are happening in their own backyard. Crime is everywhere. Risk is everywhere. We can minimize it, and we should try, but we shouldn't let this reality hold us back from pursuing our dreams and living life to the fullest. There are a few ways I minimize risk while living in the van. I never share my current location online. I never allow myself to be seen outside of my van in a spot where I'll be sleeping. I have weapons and a security system, and now I have this camera monitoring system too. I keep my keys beside me at all times, and I always have a backup plan. And most of all, I listen to my gut. And the more time I've spent on the road, the more I feel the safety of nature, and the more obvious it is to me that cities are not as safe as I once believed. There are other solo female travelers I've met while I've been on the road too, and hearing their stories only further reassures me of how good the world can be. About a year ago, I met a girl named Ellie from Germany while I was traveling in Guatemala. She had been traveling alone all around Central America for several months, and after meeting, we became good friends. We invited her to travel with us in Colorado in the summer, and now, after several months apart, she's finally back.
We have a present. My present is moving.
We have a surprise. Okay, ready?
Surprise.
1, 2, 3.
It's a German girl.
A German girl who brought a lot of chocolates with her. I'm so excited to try these. I don't know how to speak in German.
Can you teach us something? How do you say hello?
Hello. You can say a guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
Oh, I know that one.
Yeah.
We picked Ellie up from the airport at 1 a.m. last night. We were so tired. We just went to bed as soon as we got here. We're gonna make a bunch of food. Well, not a bunch of food. I actually don't have that many ingredients.
I brought some candy, mostly chocolate from Germany, vegan chocolate, for them to try.
Ooh.
Peanut butter cup.
Center just tastes more like straight up peanut butter versus.
It is. It's not it's not sugar.
Yeah, it doesn't have like Reese's have like sugar.
I love it.
Ooh.
It's good.
I think
What
I'm
is
gonna
it?
like that. I
It's
like
a
wafers.
wafer bar.
Is it like a Kit Kat? Have you had a Kit Kat?
It's not.
No.
Can you see that?
Oh. I love that. Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
It's filled in the middle.
Wait, I want more of that. It's like
has
chocolate
really
on the
good-
outside,
What's that
wafer,
flavor?
and then like a caramel.
It's not caramel.
No, it's not caramel, you're right.
It's like
The
hazelnut.
cream.
Okay, no. It is actually really close to the vegan, to the Kinder Chocolate Bueno.
I just say drink.
It literally tastes like popcorn.
Yeah, it is popcorn in there. And it says, I'm vegan and delicious. Come on and taste me.
I'm taking that and putting it in my bio. What? Is this edible?
Yeah.
What? That's like a wafer.
It's
Yeah.
like white. It's spicy.
Spicy.
It has
And
like
a lot of spice.
This would be really good with like some drink.
Chocolate.
eggnog.
Not eggnog. I mean, it is a Christmas thing.
Eggnog.
Whole hazelnut chocolate bar. Yeah.
And it has. Oh.
It's not.
Okay, bye everyone. Love you.